Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beverly. On my channel I focus on fashion and styling videos. Today I've got a review for you guys, so let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so I've got the most talked about bag from COS. So I'm going to show you guys this bag. So let me show you what I've got in here. I have picked up this popular bag from COS and I'm so glad that I picked it up. A bit unsure about it at the beginning because of the price tag, so I didn't know whether to pick it up or not, but I'm so glad that I did. I am going to put it down because I can't hold this bag throughout the whole video. I'm going to give you information about this, just talk to you about the details, whether it's worth it, the type of material, and also compared to the original bag, you know, the original design bag, the real Maguette, if I'm pronouncing it right. So the original Maguette bag is so popular and so famous, to be honest with you, but the price tag is just not it. I think it's nearly £4,000. I really like it. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it, but I would never spend that much on a bag, and you know, each to their own, but for me that is just very, very expensive. So I was glad when COS brought up a dupe, and to be honest with you, they didn't even advertise it first as they were showing off the bag. They were actually advertising a jacket on their Instagram, and everyone was like, forget about the jacket, when is this bag dropping? I guess that's when everyone got excited, went on the website, went into the stores and grabbed it and sold out the whole bag. So it's literally sold out at the moment, so no, you can't get one unfortunately. Even in stores, it's all gone. Compared to a luxury bag, the design is similar. The structure of the bag is similar. It's known as what you call a bowling bag. The obvious difference between the luxury one and COS bag is that the luxury one has a buckle on the side or some kind of strap on the side, and on the strap it has a little buckle on it as well, which is gold. Both made out of suede, 100% suede apparently. I am sure the luxury one has a better suede quality than the COS one, but I don't know. I've never felt the luxury one and I've never even seen it face to face as well, so I can't really comment on that. I'm assuming there is going to be a difference between the type of suede that they use. The price tag is significantly different from one another. The real one is £4,000, whereas this one is £225. It is worth every penny. This is a bag that I was kind of hesitating to buy because it is a big bag. Ideally, when it comes to big bags, unless you plan on putting a lot of stuff in your bag, hardly really use it, do you know what I mean? And I'm not really someone that tends to use big bags unless I'm going to work or going on holiday. So I thought maybe this is a bag that I can use for when I'm traveling, even when I'm going on short trips as well. This is a bag that I can use. I also will obviously try and incorporate it into my autumn and winter fashion, especially with trench coats and also just long jackets as well. I think this will go perfectly well with it. One thing I will say is I wish this bag came with a duffel bag, because it's suede. I want to protect the bag and it doesn't come with anything to protect it. So I'm kind of torn between just keeping it inside the bag. I don't want to damage the suede, I don't want to scratch it by accident, but I do wish that they had some sort of duffel bag with it that came with it. I don't know if the luxury one does. One thing I like about this fat bag is the fact that you can style it with a lot of autumn and winter fashion. Well, mainly autumn, because the brown or the espresso colour is definitely screaming for an autumn. You'll definitely be able to incorporate it into your wardrobe, especially if you're someone that tends to wear those colours anyways. So as I've mentioned, it is sold out. COS will definitely bring it back. What you can do is actually sign up for a notification once they release the bags again. Then you should be able to grab one. I am sure they're going to release it in different colours, probably khaki, black, who knows. Another thing I will say about this bag is that it is heavy, so bear that in mind, which is expected since it's made out of 100% suede. Suede tends to be heavy anyways, depending on how much you use to make the item that you want, but it is a very, very heavy bag. I don't know how I feel about it being heavy. I hate heavy bags. Anyways, most good quality bags tend to be heavy anyway, so I shouldn't complain. Just to add that the difference between this bag and the luxury one is that the luxury one tends to have a gold hardware, whereas this one has silver hardware. The silver they use for this bag kind of elevates this bag as well. I think I've just shown you the bag just for like 5 seconds, so let me hold it up so that you can actually look at the full bag. So I really hope my camera is capturing this well. So it has really nice stitching on this. The stitching looks perfect, but I am not the right person to determine whether stitching looks perfect or not, but it looks really, really good. So the hardware of this bag is just like this, so just the silver hardware here and just this lock here just to close the bag. And I'll be quite honest with you, I think I prefer the dupe more than the real one, but this is just so simple and I just like how it is. It's very simple and very clean and so COS, to be honest with you. And this is a dupe that only COS could make. I don't think any other brand would have succeeded if they did it. The bag is a bit flimsy. There's nothing in it. It will literally just drop. That's why I wanted something to protect it. But make sure you put old clothes in there so that it can keep its structure. That's it for now. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and make sure you leave a comment below. I do have a community blog and it's called Lifestyle Planet, so make sure you check it out, where I talk about fashion and other things, and I also give you more suggestions as well. So see you guys soon.